night, the IRS shuts down its tax return e-file system because of a problem with its computers. And some of the systems will remain out of service until at least tomorrow. The shutdown comes just as a warning goes out for tax filers and even preparers to beware of scammers. CBS 2's Jessica Schneider has more on what to look out for.
We hear about tax scams every year, but this season, those scammers are getting savvy.
The identity theft with the fraudulent tax returns has become a cottage industry.
Tax attorney David Selig says he's been getting calls from his clients about 3 separate scams. Unsavory tax preparers telling their own clients to pay any Affordable Care Act penalties directly to them instead of the IRS. Scammers calling filers, posing as the IRS, and asking for their bank account info. And tax preparers getting phone calls asking for their clients' information.
The best thing is to ask for a number to call back, and if you're not sure, call law enforcement, the Internal Revenue Service, your attorney.
You can even Google the phone number that has just called you.
Run their telephone number through the computer. Most of them come up as known scam artists.
You trust that if you're using a certain, a tax preparation service, they're going to protect your information. That's what you want to believe.
Michelle Quinn had her identity stolen twice while preparing her taxes. This year, when she tried to file, she learned someone else had already filed her return and tried to take the money.
And then when you find out that it's really not safe at all, that my Gmail account is safer than where I'm doing my taxes, it just makes you really, really angry.
And Governor Cuomo here in New York is urging anyone who's the victim of one of these scams to report it. And the #1 thing to remember, it is very unlikely that the IRS would contact you out of the blue on the phone without some sort of paper trail. Christine?
Good advice. Thank you.